As you notice, you start with putting the seat in backwards. Up to 30 pounds, which we just realized. So make sure your baby is not over 30 pounds and they should be okay in this. You've already obviously popped the wheels on this bad boy. So you had the 2 back wheels and the 2 front wheels. I like these. I like that it has 2 different type of wheels for traction and for motion and movement. I think that will help her glide rather nicely. Okay, so now we're going to attach this part to, and this is a height adjustable, so wherever your baby is, you're able to easily make those adjustments. I like that most of the pieces are just like pop in place type of thing. Once you figure out how to pop it in place. I know you're excited. What do you think, middle? Will it? That'll be something. Hold on. You're right, this is the hardest part. Because the thing is, you can't just slap this thing on. You literally have to wiggle this thing in place. I mean, I guess that's the disadvantage to not having to screw anything, is everything is just popping into place. But I almost got it. It's kind of like a Lego piece, but for grown-ups. Yeah, so that's what the hang up is. Got that back piece. I got a dog in my school. Yeah.